Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing plough pose. The benefits of this pose are absolutely incredible. It basically heals your entire body, balancing and regulating your body. And did you guys know that this pose was practiced by our ancient ancestors literally since the birth of civilization? It helps to prevent and relieve tightness in your neck, shoulders and back. It can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which is really good for like people with diabetes. It also promotes the functioning of the thyroid gland. It reduces stress and fatigue, and it stretches the shoulders and the spine. It's also really therapeutic if you suffer from backache or headache or insomnia or sinusitis. It boosts your circulation and it improves blood pressure. It can also improve the posture of your spine as it allows it to be more supple, which may also help ease muscle tension in the spine. And it enhances flexibility whilst improving muscle and joint mobility as well. It's an inversion with your heart being higher than your head. It can also really help to change your perspective and allow you to lead with your heart. Without further ado, let's jump straight into practicing this beautiful plough pose. I really hope you guys will practice with me. Let's jump right in. I'm also practicing this pose with my beautiful son, and I'm gonna basically show you how to get into it. And once you're into it, let's breathe deeply and consciously. So you just come back. If it's too much, you can keep your legs bent. You can also place your hands to your lumbar spine, which is your lower spine, to really help support it. You can either place your hands in front of you and clasp them together, or you can place them above your head and basically place your feet into the palms of your hands. And like my son's bending his legs, do that if it feels right for you. If you want to challenge and to go really deep into your hamstrings, really flex your feet and your toes, which helps you to go deeper into the hamstrings. And also by placing them onto the palms of your hands as well. That's the more challenging variation. Don't worry if you're not there yet, because that's rather advanced. Always listen to your body and do what feels good for you and right for you. And before I get in this position, I always like to stretch out my hamstrings by coming into a forward fold, and then I go into the plough pose. As you inhale, lift your legs up to 90 degrees whilst you're getting into it. As you exhale, roll your pelvis off the floor, moving your legs back towards your head slowly, lowering your legs over your head towards the floor, and ensure that you position your hands on your lower back if you need the support. And let's aim to stay here for 2 minutes. Conscious, deep breaths, you guys. You can also pick your very own affirmation to say to yourself here, like, I am strong, I am powerful, I am awareness, I am love, I am peace, I am joy, my entire body is healthy. By turning your body upside down during inversions, it can help to create new ways of thinking, new innovations, and a renewed perspective. It can also really boost your mood. It's also great as it improves your digestive system, and it's really good if you suffer from constipation. It's extremely soothing and calming on the mind and brain. Also, this posture should be avoided whilst you are on your period or whilst you're pregnant. It also increases your flexibility, which can reduce your chance of injury. I'm also going to be doing it with my other son as well, just to demonstrate. And he clasped his hands together. At first he placed it on his lumbar spine, and then he clasped them together in front of him. so which is really good. And you do not need to like straighten out your legs if your hamstrings are really tight. Basically place your hands alongside your body with the palms facing down, and then as you exhale, slowly roll your spine back down towards the floor, and then just lay here like as you extend out your legs, and just take a minute to like breathe. Always ensure whilst you're in this pose to keep your neck in line with your spine while looking upward, and try to rest your weight on your upper shoulders and not your neck or your head to avoid any injury. I really hope this video has been useful for you guys, and I really hope you will consciously breathe mindfully with your perfect mantra or affirmation in your plough pose. Thank you guys so much for watching. From my heart to yours. I shall see you guys in my next upload. Don't forget to practice that plough pose. May healing and peace, joy and abundance be yours, because it truly is yours already. P.S. If you're looking to do the splits, I have loads and loads of split tutorials. I have a full playlist, and also not to forget the incredible benefits of the splits. Please do check it out. I will link it down below. Peace, love and light from my heart to yours.